Welcome to the final lesson of the OpenAI Codex CLI course. In Lesson 26, we make the terminal yours. These look and feel commands change nothing about what Codex can do, they tune how it feels to work in. The /theme command picks a highlighting theme, /vim toggles vim keybindings, and /statusline configures the footer. Let's settle into the cockpit. None of these change what Codex can do. They just make the terminal fit how you like to work. Let's tune a few. We start with /theme. This picks the syntax highlighting theme, the color scheme Codex uses when it prints code and diffs. It's the same instinct as choosing an editor theme, and it makes long sessions far easier on the eyes. Next, /vim. This toggles vim keybindings in the composer, the box where you type your prompts. If your fingers already know Vim motions, turning this on lets you edit prompts the same way you edit everything else, no context switch. There's also /keymap, which remaps terminal shortcuts so the key combinations match your muscle memory. If a default binding fights the way you work, you rebind it here rather than fighting it every session from now on. Next, we set the status line, which configures exactly which items appear in the footer, so the information you care about is always in view. And one more, /personality. This chooses Codex's communication style, how terse or chatty, how formal or casual its responses feel. It shapes the tone of the conversation without touching a single one of the agent's actual capabilities. So that's the cockpit tuned. None of these commands change what Codex can do, they change how it feels to work in. And with that, we've walked the whole command surface of the Codex CLI together. Here's what to keep and where to go next. The /theme command picks a highlighting theme, and /vim toggles vim keybindings in the composer. You can also remap keyboard shortcuts, switch on vim keybindings, and pick a syntax theme, tuning how the terminal feels without changing what Codex can do. The /personality command sets the tone. None of these change what Codex can do, only how it feels. That completes our tour of the Codex CLI. Head to Standarity.com for the full Codex CLI course.